This work was commissioned to mark the official opening of the 6th Senedd. I feel that dawn itself and the change of light that you have at dawn is a kind of reset. So it's a daily reset. It's a renewal or a chant at something different. There's a range of people in Gwawr-Dawn. There are some people who are at work, people coming back from a work and night shift. There are lots of people who are doing leisure activities such as wild swimming or surfing, dog walking. It's a very intimate time where people often have something going on in their lives that no one else really knows, that it's sacred, it has ritual. I think what I was trying to do is capture movement and for the viewer to think that they're there in that moment. The artwork is here as a physical exhibition until the 19th of April, and I hope anybody who wants to come and see it will come along. I think it gives a really good idea of the kinds of people and places that we have in Wales and shows them at a really unusual time.